Now we can write inside Excel. I can actually do data entry in Excel using a stylus on touchscreen. So let's see how this is done. Earlier also you could use a pen to annotate on top of Excel. So you're writing on top of the sheet. Now you can write inside the cells. So here is a stylus I have. I go to the draw tab and you will see different types of pens. We use this pen. This pen is called active pen. What does that mean? Its output is going to go as Excel data. The moment I choose the pen, notice the zoom level increase because I need to understand what I'm writing and in which cell I'm writing. So suppose I want to write in the cell B2. I go there and start writing. I just wrote the word start. I didn't write it perfectly, but it doesn't matter. It understands where your original point was. It will recognize the text and automatically put it inside the cell. So let me try to put some numbers in column C. One number. Now I'm going to type two numbers, one below another, and let's see what happens. It understands the context, it recognizes the text, and it puts it in the correct cell. Now, is it practical to use Excel for data entry by writing? Probably not. But you can also use it for annotation and for various other purposes. You can also use it for corrections. For example, I want to delete something. I just put a stroke like this. It's gone. Of course, undo will always work. Another way is to select. I just draw something like this. We used to call it lasso, and that selects the cells. If I want to overwrite, then I simply go to the cell and I type something else. So 547. There's another feature called highlighter. Now, what is highlighter? You know, it works in Word, Outlook, everywhere. But this highlighter is different. Usually, if you go to the highlighter, you can choose the color, and when I highlight, it will just go across cells. And that's okay for a document. For Excel, I want to be precise. I want to highlight cells. When you open the drop down of the highlighter, you will see one option called Snap to Cells. And now I just have to touch a cell and it will get highlighted beautifully. So now I can look at a report and mark things which are either suspicious or interesting or those which require further action. So try this out and let me know if you like it. Oh, by the way, you must be wondering how this reconciliation happened. That's a Microsoft Copilot feature. Have a look at this video to learn more. So that's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.